Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. We've been tracking the current bounce, which has been occurring over the past couple of days. And as far as the bounce is concerned, made another nice step from a technical perspective, and that is in regard to this purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I've talked about that being a level of resistance, and when the price gets up above it, how is it going to react? Well, we got our answer here. Price got to it and is now above it and is doing a good job of staying above it. In fact, the final 30 minutes, you can see right there, if you look closely, the price pulled back and bounced right off that area. So going forward, ideally speaking, the new ideal level of support mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? What would make this bounce look the absolute best? If the price can stay up above that purple line, again, the 50-period simple moving average, that would be best case scenario. Now, if the price does fall below it, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. The must-hold level comes down here at $12.75. I'm not going to talk about why that level is so important. If you're curious, then you can just go back in the video archive and watch the AMD video from a couple of days ago. But as it stands right now, again, ideal level of support, 50-period simple moving average, must-hold level of support down there at $12.75. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to generate some more upwards momentum, where are some of these battlegrounds at? First area, and I'm not sure if it's hit there twice or not, but it looks like it's pretty close. Yep, pretty close. Right there at $13.55. That was the high from today, and it makes sense why the price got rejected from there. Why do I say it makes sense? Well, if you go back here, you can see that was the exact high after the gap down. So there are clearly some sellers still sitting there right around the $13.55 mark. If the price can break through there, then not that far off. You have the famous 200-period simple moving average, which is that pink line there, currently valued right up around $13.80. So, if this one can fall, I wouldn't celebrate too soon because not that far away. You do have that one up there. But if the price can break through not only $13.55, but then get up above the 200-period, that will definitely be a very powerful step in the bullish direction. So we'll see what happens. But like I said, the bounce continues, and it's all a matter of can the bulls keep on building those higher bases? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.